Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. For a long time, we've pictured it as a flat, orderly disk. But recent research is turning that notion on its head, revealing a far more complex structure than we ever imagined. The Milky Way's disk is packed with stars, gases, and dust, stretching across about 120,000 light-years. At first glance, this might suggest a simple flat shape. However, the reality is much more intriguing. The disk isn't flat at all. Instead, it features ripples and warps that give it an appearance similar to the brim of a tilted fedora hat. This new understanding comes from the European Space Agency's Gaia mission, which provided scientists with detailed data on the positions of millions of stars, including around 2,400 Cepheid variable stars. These stars are particularly useful because their brightness changes in a predictable pattern, allowing researchers to map the galaxy's wavy disk shape with precision. Surrounding our galaxy is a halo of stars and dark matter, which was once thought to be spherical. However, new studies indicate this halo is actually stretched and tilted. This irregular halo might be the culprit behind the disk's distortions. Through computer simulations, scientists have shown that the gravitational pull of this uneven halo can induce the ripples and warps we observe in the disk. Dark matter, though invisible, plays a crucial role in shaping the galaxy's structure. The model suggests that the uneven shape of the halo exerts gravitational forces on the disk, creating the observed wave patterns. In addition to these ripples, researchers have discovered a wave-like pattern in the movement of young stars within the disk. This motion resembles the wave seen in sports stadiums, with stars moving up and down relative to the disk's plane. This intriguing stellar dance may be the result of past collisions with smaller galaxies. One such suspect is the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, which orbits the Milky Way in a nearly perpendicular path and could have sparked these wave-like motions. While the notion of a flat Milky Way disk was once widely accepted, these recent findings have unveiled astonishing complexities. From ripples to interactions with other galaxies, it's clear that our galaxy's structure is far more dynamic than previously thought. These discoveries not only enhance our understanding of the Milky Way but also open new avenues for exploring the effects of dark matter and cosmic collisions. If you enjoyed this exploration of our galaxy's hidden complexities, be sure to subscribe for more fascinating science content.